a well-designed and maintained water fountain can be so much joy for the people who see. This one has been very well designed. You can see on the steps on the side where you can see the water trickling, small fountains on the side, and yes, the huge one in the middle, all automated, all designed where this water reservoir is used to create a beauty for people, the residents of the city, and anybody who can come and stay here for a few minutes, enjoy, sit around on the benches, nice benches on the side where people can come and relax and enjoy the great ambience this huge water fountain has created. My friends, every time I come here, I think about how wonderful a source of happiness water can be. And you can see it's water, the fountain has suddenly stopped. I'm sure it's going to start soon. And my friends, that's the way life is. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy the beauty which has been created around you. Many man-made, but well-maintained. Be jolly!